Hey guys, for today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you on how you can log into your Instagram account or log in back to your Instagram if you're getting a list or your login error. Now, for a lot of people, sometimes they might think their account is hacked or bypassed or something like that, and that's not always the case. Sometimes it could just be that you're timing out for network or something like that, but the most probable cause is that Instagram is just going through something and you have to, it's not even your fault, it's Instagram's fault. And really, the main thing you have to is make sure you have a Wi Fi connection and internet connection, whatever, and access to Chrome, Safari, whatever the case is, as long as you have access to an internet browser on your phone. So make sure that you have a phone synced up on or phone numbers synced up with your Instagram account. So all you have to do is to go to your app store and search Chrome, then install it. Once done, open it and search Instagram. Click on the login option, then click the three dots and click on request desktop site. Next, enter your username and password, click login. You will be able to log into your account from the desktop. Then go to your profile, click on the settings and change password. After changing the password, simply go to your profile and log out from the site. After, go to your Instagram app and try logging into your account. Type your username and new password. By this method, you will be able to successfully log into your Instagram account. Hope this helps and see you on the next one.